This company called HighOh. They're small owned company. Okay, so what I have here is I'm gonna open it up. I mean, I love the idea of reusable. See, it comes in a little packet like this, which I think is really, really cute. You can put them in here. And it comes packaged like this. Okay, you know, you're supposed to, you know, you put it in your underwear like this, and then you close it like that, and it's like this, you know, because you know the regular ones, sometimes they can feel a little bit uncomfortable, and sometimes they keep falling off, and you have to keep putting it back on and stuff like that. But I like the fact that you have this that's going to secure it and close it, and you know, and really secure it in your underwear. This is really good. And the fact that it's secure and it's very observe it. So that's really good too. Because I can already tell, like, when you look at it and stuff, you could tell like it's going to observe and absorb everything. So you feel more secure when you go to sleep at night and everything. When you go to sleep at night, it's going to be more secure. And plus, they're reusable. So all you have to do is throw them in your laundry and wash them, and they're good, and they'll be back and better than ever. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Yes, so I like this. It's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 6 pieces. Like, how amazing is that? And they're reusable. Use them, put them in the wash, and you know, that's it, and you're good to go. Like I said, my cycle literally just went on before I received this in the mail, so best believe next month I'm good. And I love that they're reusable. You can use them, wash them and stuff like that. That's good, because and plus, you know, sometimes with the normal pads, sometimes they make you feel so weird, you know, and plus that it can be like unpleasant to use it. But this is just so soft and everything, and you know, it's long. Look at the length, it's really long. So you know, once you secure it on your underwear, and it's gonna be very good, and it's very soft and everything, so it's gonna be good for you. So there's 6 pieces, and so make sure you guys go ahead and get y'all some, because I'm telling you, if your cycle just went on and it's coming back on next month, we could try it on together, honey. So make sure y'all go ahead. I'm gonna leave all the information below in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out, get your own, so we could wear it together. We could feel more secure and stuff, you know, more secure when we sleep at night and all that good stuff. So yeah, I did my research about this and everything, and I love it. I love this idea of reusable, because I felt like it's gonna make you feel more confident, you know, than the regular pads do. So yeah, get y'all some. I'm gonna give y'all all the information below. Come on, get y'all some too. All right. So Army Nation, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget, go check out HighOh. Go check them out and get your own. Yes, girl. We could be period buddies together. Yeah.